Yes, good morning. This is Intentional Forex Guru. Just trying to do a conclusive video for the year. I have shared this strategy before, but I want to quickly show you how you can also use this strategy to make money in our new crash and our new boom. I know everyone knows, or if you don't know, I want to first introduce the new crash series and the new boom series. This new crash series, all you need to know about it. And then this new boom series, all also you need to know about it. We have crash 300 here, which is very, very fast, faster than the other crash 500 and crash 1000. Very, very fast. And then it gives profit very, very fast. And it runs very fast beyond crash 500. So it's the fastest in the market, crash 300. We have another one, boom 300. So it runs very fast, it gives profit quickly, and then but it's also very, very risky to trade these two crash. But with our strategy, you will always be in profit. You will always be in profit. You can see what is happening right now in the market just with the strategy I've shared before. You can see what is happening. You can see what is happening as I'm scrolling it. You can see. You only wait for the confirmation, then you do place your market as I have been saying, and you will definitely be in profit. But right now, I am just here to tell you the lot size that is possibly to be used in trading this crash 300, because I've traded it and I've seen that it's very, very fast. Even with the lowest lot size, it can still give you a massive loss and massive profit, depending on how you are able to capture the market. Okay, right now in crash 300, you can see it's still spiking while I'm trading. While I'm doing this video, it's still spiking. In crash 300, you use 0.005. That is the lowest lot size. 0.005 is the lowest lot size in crash 300. You can trade 0.005, 0.0010, 0.015, 0.20. So this crash 300, that is how it works, and it's very, very fast. So you see, it is behaving like crash 500, but it's faster than crash 500. Now this is for crash series. You can see that in our indicators here, our Bollinger Bands, the same settings I gave you the last time I did the video. Then in our Bollinger Bands too, the same settings. So you can just screenshot these things in our Bollinger Band in our main chart. You see, we have the period 25. For those people that have not gotten this before, Bollinger Bands first in your in your main chart. Period 25, deviation 280,000, shift 0, apply to close, then style 3 pixel, then I use blue. So you can also use blue there and you click done. We have the second Bollinger Bands, period 20, deviation 285,000, then shift 0, apply to close. Our style is 3 pixel. Then I use red color there. You click done here and then you close. Then we are in our indicator window 1. We have relative strength index. Then with our 2 moving averages, with our Bollinger Bands. And then you see in our relative strength index 11, apply to weighted close. Just get the settings like this. Level is 100, 168, 50, 32, and then you are done. You click your stop. Moving average, check it like this, the same way it is. then screenshot it and then set it. Then the second moving average, look at the settings, you screenshot it and then you go. The another Bollinger Band, we have 34 deviation 1.618, shift 0, then 3 pixel, color blue. You still close it. The final moving average 34, period 34, shift zeros, method simple, apply to first indicator data, and then you close it. So that is the simple settings for this strategy. You can use it for all crash. In this crash 300, it works perfectly well. You can see what happened whenever it coughs. Whenever it coughs, look at it there. The way I used to explain it, whenever it coughs, look at how market, whenever it coughs from here, look at how market right down to this direction. You use it to catch multiple spikes, not a joke. Multiple spikes. You can see this crash 300. What is happening here? In fact, with 1, 2, 3 spike, you can be in $10 profit with the lowest loss size. Look at the same thing happening here. Whenever it crosses the market above like this, don't be afraid. Place your market and be in profit. Look at it here. When it crosses this your Bollinger Bands, look at it here. When the market spikes down and this Bollinger Band crosses the market like this, you just simply place your market and then you will be in profit. Look at it whenever. And remember, before you trade, also check your trend analysis. Trend analysis is very, very important. This is our 1 hour time frame. You can see in this our 1 hour time frame that the market was actually coming down. So whatsoever you do now, you know that everything will be, you are trading down until this market breaks this your trend lines. You can draw something like this in your 1 hour time frame. Whenever the market breaks this your trend line, you can now exit the market totally. And whenever this other indicator calls like this, look at it here. When it calls like this, whenever this Bollinger Bands calls like this, in this other dimension, you know that the market is going to uptrend. Now this one is not going downtrend again. So in crash 300, you know that it is not time for you to trade spikes. It's time for you to trade trends. So that is how it works. Remember, this crash 300 is faster than crash. Remember, it's faster than crash 500. So while trading it, be very, very careful. If you have a small equity, use the lowest loss size, which is 0.005. Then let's check boom 300. Boom 300, you can see what is happening in boom 300 right now. Boom 300 has a lot of, in fact, let me show you what happened in boom 300. In case you want to trade boom 300, know that the lowest loss size here is 0.10. In crash 300, the lowest loss size is 0.10. So you is also faster than boom 500. It's faster than boom 500. So it is the same thing applicable. When the market crosses as it is about to cross, so in 1 hour time frame, look at it here. The market is about the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Bands is about to cross. It's about to cross this market and start going up. Whenever you see this kind of thing, you know that your trend is about to reverse. It's about to reverse up. Moreover, using your this thing, your price action, you can see that this market is retesting in this place. It's retesting here. It's retesting here. If you don't have knowledge on price actions, then you can contact me via my WhatsApp. I'm going to put it down there for you. If you are a new trader, you can see it retesting this place now. Automatically, this market might get back to this point before it starts going down again. It might climb up to this place. It might climb up to this point, so this market automatically climbs up to this point, and then it might retest back or even break to this point before it comes down. But majorly, so you have to be very, very careful while trading it. So but this is just the analysis for now in boom 300. So at this point, you are expecting this market to spike up to this point or to this point here, where I have this market, a sell market, where I have this sell market 0.10 here, to this point where I have this zero market. It can spike up to this place or come to this place, retest down again. But be rest assured that this market is about to go up totally. With your indicator, main indicator here, your Bollinger Bands. These are Bollinger Bands is moving along with the trend, so it works perfectly well. So you have to make sure that this new new pairs in boom and crash, you study it with your demo first before you go to your live account. Don't just rush and place market. You definitely be in lost. So I've studied it, what is very, very sweet to trade. Like yesterday, I was just trading crash 300, and then I discovered that it's very, very sweet to trade. It gives spikes sharp, and then with that lowest loss size, you can be catching some long and then short spikes that will give you some cool dollars. Thank you. This is Intentional Forex Guru. I wish you the compliment of the season. We are still enjoying our Christmas, and then we're about entering the new year. I pray to God that this new year you will be more successful in trading than ever before. So this is it. Remember, this strategy also applies to nearly all the pairs, both your crash 500, crash 1000, boom 1000, then boom 500. So, but majorly for now, I am using it. In fact, I'm enjoying it more with boom 300 and then crash 300. Yes, it's been a long time I do my video. You can see what is happening here, what I have told you. Right now, in 1 minute time frame, you can see it is still spiking. It is still spiking. When it crosses here now, you know that something has happened. This is 1 minute. Look at how it keeps spiking up, indicating and signifying that the market is going up, is going up, is going up. So it comes to this place, it might retest back a little and then still push up. It still push up, it still push up. You can see whenever it crosses, it keeps giving you profit. Whenever it crosses, it keeps giving you maximum profit. It gives you joy. It gives you joy. So this indicator is very, very wonderful. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. If this is the first time you are watching this video, subscribe to my channel and then be in profit. Subscribe to my channel and be in profit. So this is still Intentional Forex Guru. Bye bye for now. As you chat me towards your mentorship, you want to be mentored, chat me. You want to be catching multiple spikes with my strategies, other strategies that I have, also chat me up. I have some other indicators that will help you to make it more. Then chat me up with a little, just a little, when I mean a little and a low this thing, with very low this thing amount, you will get it. Thank you. Bye bye, and do have a wonderful new year celebration. Thank you. Bye bye.